Ethan Crumbley, the teen suspect charged in connection with the deadly shooting at a Michigan high school last month, is expected to appear at a probable cause hearing this afternoon. Simon Shakat in Detroit with what we can expect in court.
Accused murderer Ethan Crumbley is due back in court Monday at 1:15. It is the next step in his case, and as we've learned, he will be represented by a court-appointed attorney. Appearing Monday for a probable cause conference, accused Oxford high school shooter Ethan Crumbley faces charges of terrorism, 4 counts of premeditated murder, and more charges of attempted murder after the death of 4 high school students and others being injured by gunfire. Prosecutors acknowledge the magnitude of this case and their commitment to achieving justice. 7 Action News has learned Oakland County Prosecutor Karen McDonald will appear in court for the hearing as well. Also, Ethan's parents, James and Jennifer Crumbley, are expected in court Tuesday at 1:15 for their own probable cause conference on charges of involuntary manslaughter. After being charged, the 2 were found hiding at an art studio in Detroit by U.S. Marshals, a fugitive apprehension team, and Detroit police. The art studio owner, friend of the couple, has not been charged, and his attorney is hopeful a review pertaining to him will be done by the end of next week.
My hope is that by the end of this week, they will have gone through all the equipment that they searched, investigated all the other leads that they have, and by the end of this week, my client will walk away a free man.
What's your client's state of mind as you await an outcome of an investigation?
For a 65-year-old man who has never experienced anything like this, you can imagine that the stress is weighing on him. But at the same time, he knows the truth and he has shared the truth, and he believes that by the end of this, he's going to resume his normal life.
At this point, more facts are being reviewed involving Oxford high school counselors who met with Ethan prior to the shooting after a teacher found disturbing notes and indication of potential danger, but never took concerns to the school principal and allowed Ethan to return to class. So far, there's been no word on if more charges could possibly be filed and when. We've also confirmed more than a dozen threats have been made against school administrators in Oxford, and sheriff's deputies tell us they plan to pursue criminal charges in at least 3 of those cases.